Hello, thanks for joining me. Today I'll be making a chicken and vegetable casserole. Let's get started. Okay, here I have, this is like a half a chicken breast, and I'm just going to cut this up in small chunks. Easy so far. I love these one pot or pan or whatever you're using dishes. They're just easy. Just pretty much put them all in one dish and bake them, and you have one delicious meal. Not a whole lot of dishes, you know. We try to do as few dishes as we can. As you can see, I have the dishpan hands because my hands live in water all the time, washing dishes or doing something pertaining to water. And now my hands are starting to show just that, along with the fact that, you know, I'm a year older than I was last year, and loving it. Don't be afraid to get older. You know, that was probably one of my fears when I was younger, but that's because I was naive. Now I know that in order to live, you have to get older. That's just it. So love it, enjoy it, embrace it. Okay, we have those done. Let me rinse my hands off a little. Not that it's really going to matter at this time, but I'm going to do that anyway. Okay. So, I have some white potatoes, and I have some, oh my goodness, and I have some sweet potatoes, I'm sorry. And I'm going to just rinse these off one more time. We're going to put them into this bowl. Into the bowl. Okay, here I have some broccoli. I've washed it already, and I cut them into, I don't like to cut them off too far because they'll break up really bad in the water, so I keep a little stem on. I have some white onions. I have some red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and I have some chopped garlic. I'm just going to put them on in there. No, I'm not pre-cooking anything. I'm going to let the oven do all of the work. Well, not all of it, all of the cooking. And our chicken is going in. Get on in there. Okay, now we're going to season it. The routine. Black pepper. Some salt. Okay, that's enough of that. Onion powder. Even though we have onions in, we're going to add some more onion flavor. Some garlic powder. And here I have some cream off of my butter. I like using ghee, and this is what's left over from making it, and I'll show you that in another video. And I'm going to just add that in. This is so sweet, so much flavor. Buttery. We're just going to add all of that in. And we're almost there. Almost. This is not a lot of chicken in here, so I could have added more, but this is fine. I don't need a whole lot. I'm loving the veggies too. Add more of what you love. That's how you do that. So you and your family can enjoy this meal. Okay. It smells so good. Here I have some cream of chicken and mushroom. This is really good if you haven't tried it. Maybe you should give it a try. And I also wanted to put some fresh mushrooms, but didn't have any of those in the fridge. But if you're making some, try putting some, if you love mushrooms, that is, try putting some fresh portobello, white button mushroom, or any type of mushroom that you love. Try adding it into your dish. Get on in there. This is just a matter of mixing right here. You want to make sure you have everything coated. And I have my pan sitting on the side here that I have already buttered. Or you can add oil or whatever you want to oil. Just put some type of oil at the bottom of your pan to hopefully help brown. We're almost there. I think we've made it. I just want to make sure those seasonings that we put on, like I said, have coated all of the veggies. And the little chicken that we have in here. It's a little messy, but let me let you see what that looks like. Kind of looks like potato salad, doesn't it? Yep, but it's not. No, it's not potato salad. And here's my dish. And I have buttered it, and like I said, we're just going to dump this in. It's heavy. So easy. I'm just going to get all of this goodness out of this bowl and put it into our baking dish. And my oven, if I didn't say it already, is heated at 350 degrees. I'm going to cook this for probably about an hour or so. A little more, maybe a little less. We will see. I'm going to cover this with foil. And I'm going to do part-time covered and the rest of the time uncovered. can. And we're going into the oven. Set your timer for 1 hour. Okay, that cooked for about 1 hour and 15 minutes. We're going to just let it cool, and then we're going to plate some up. Okay, you have to let it cool for a little bit because you want your sauce to kind of congeal. This is still a little hot. You have plenty veggies here. Potatoes. Your chicken and everything. You get some red peppers. And your broccoli there. Let's see. More broccoli, please. Sweet potato right there. I'm going to taste it from here. Those bell peppers and onions are very prominent, and the garlic also. This is really good. Look, I'm eating out of the pot, out of the dish. It's really tasty, flavorful, and I didn't put lots of salt. I never really do, because I want whoever eats it to put as much salt as they like, or as little. But I want you to see how good it is. Trust me, it's really good. Like I said, if you serve it immediately, then your sauce is going to be really loose, and you don't want it to be that. You want it to be thick, as it should be. And I'm over here looking for, and of course, if you like cheese, you can add some cheese. I just don't eat all that cheese all the time, and it tastes as good without it. Add some chives and eat till your heart is content. Show you one more time, because I really want you to try this. Somebody asked me in the comments what was my what do I feel like my greatest accomplishment is, and that was my children. That was my biggest and my greatest accomplishment. I hope that answered your question. But anyway, thanks for hanging out, and remember to pray. Then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for you, pray for them, pray for us. Don't stop praying. Pray. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share with friends and family, subscribe, and tap that bell if you haven't. And if you have, thank you. Comment. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, eat well, be well, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay blessed. Bloop. I love you. I really do. Later. Have yourself some. Have yourself a delicious meal.